G'day, my name is Mark from Sheffield College. I'm the automotive trainer here. Today I've got some few things to show you on how the starter motor works. So we got some important things with the starting systems as a learning priority. We got the battery, ignition barrel, a relay, centrifuge, and the engine. Why is it so good for the students to learn this process of starting system? It's because it allows them to identify how the start system works. This is how it operates. We flip the keys on position, then we'll see the voltage coming through to the solenoid, and as we flip it on, we should be able to jump the quad across to the relay into the fuse and flip it over. But you're going to start here. I'm going to demonstrate you how when to turn the key on and what's going to happen when the starter motor to engage. It will turn the crankshaft. You want to learn more about the starting system? Come to Sheffield. We'll teach you from starting from the key to the relay to the starter motor to the crankshaft. Come and have a go.